Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a quiz game. So quiz game we have to make only with using one sprite. So let's change the sprite. Delete this. So let's pick up a new sprite. Go to animals and pick up monkey 2. Okay. So now let's put a backdrop. Go to backdrops and put a backdrop that is basketball field. Okay, so now let me put this here and let me make this monkey small like that. Now go to scripts and drag it over here. Now go to events, take the when green flag clicked, and now what we have to do, so now we have to go to the looks and take the switch backdrop to basketball field, and then what we have to do is to show, and here show and go to motion, and the monkey should be here. Go to X and Y. So after that we will go to the sensing and we will take the ask what's your name and wait, and after that ask what's your name and wait, and then go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. Now another time take the say hello for 2 seconds and go to sensing and take the answer here. Now let's try it. What's your name? Cyan. Enter hello Cyan. So you can see it is working like that. Now what we have to do is take the forever loop, drag an if and else statement. Sorry, first we have to go to sensing and ask a question. So this is a basketball field. So let me ask our basketball, who invented basketball, and question mark. So now what we have to do, option A. So now we will go to here. Now who invented basketball? So James Naismith, and option B. B will be John Naismith. So after that ask this and go to, now we will go to the control and take if and else statement, and here we will go to sensing and take an answer and go to operators, take an equal to sign, answer will be there, and answer is, so answer, so let me write this option. So answer will be the A, option A. Now drag it over here. Now if the answer is A, then go to looks and say you are genius, and click on, and what we have to do, and an exclamatory mark, and another time take the say and in the else and say try again. Try again. Now let's try this. What's your name? Cyan. Hello Cyan. Now who invented basketball? A. James Naismith. B. John Naismith. So our answer is A. You are genius. So you can see after saying you are genius for 2 seconds, it is going back here. So what we have to do now, change a question 2. So after question 2 we will make it winning backdrop. So for question 2 what you have to do, go to stop this and go to the events and take a broadcast message and make this the question 2. Now click on OK. Now what we have to do is go to the control and stop all and stop this script only. So now it will happen. We will stop this script and after that what script we have added, it will start the script. So go to events and take when I receive question 2. When I receive the question 2, so let me drag it here. When I receive the question 2, so now we will add a backdrop. Go to backdrop and add a new backdrop. So this time we will ask about the we ask about so we will ask about the play path. So we should ask about there is woods and a bench. You can try anything. So let's ask about space. Okay. So now this is our new backdrop. Let us go in the here. Now when I receive question 2, go to the looks, switch backdrop to space. Now switch backdrop to space. When it will start, so it will show this and you have to type. Then what we have to do, it will say hello Cyan. Then it will ask a question, answer A, you are genius. Then it will move towards. If you will not give the correct answer, then it will another time say that, because you have not added in else statement. So you can see. So now what we have to do, we have to go to the motion, and in the motion we have to go to X this and Y this, but we have to change it. So let me see here. It should be here. So let's drag it here. Now go to control, take the forever and repeat the thing that we have done here. Touching not ask. So ask. So we are in space. Let's ask a fill in the blank question. So space. So about space, let's ask space is completely dash full stop and full stop. Now option A is the option A should be silent. B is B will be silent and violence. So now, so what we have to do now, completely same. Go to here, go to control and if else statement, go to sensing and answer operators, go to equal to, answer will be here and answer is A. Drag it over here, say you are incredibly genius and go to say you are incredibly genius, intelligent. So now what we have to do is here say, and now this is our last question. Now we will go to the events and broadcast winning win scene. Okay, so now what we have to do, broadcast win sim. Then we have to stop this script. So this is our if this is answer, then else. So in the else, say please try again. So now, so what we have to do, let's check this. What's your name? Cyan. Hello. Then it will say Cyan. Now it will, who invented basketball? Option A. You are genius. Then it will move on. Space is completely silent. You are incredibly genius, intelligent. So now what you have to do, so it will broadcast a winning scene. So let me add a backdrop. So let me delete this backdrop and add new backdrop. So the backdrop will be go to the here, so spotlight stage, or indoors, go to the indoors and spotlight stage, go to okay. So now we want our sprite now to stand over here. So we want our sprite to stand over here. So now we want to add a script, that is go to events, and when I receive the win scene, so when I receive win scene, go to looks, switch backdrop to spotlight stage. Now what we have to do is go to x and y, so this direction, go to x 13, y this. So let me check here, x, y and x 9 and y 19. So what we have to do now is, go to control and repeat. So we want it to repeat 30 times, 30, and now so now we want to repeat 30 times. Go to looks and say you win at here, sorry, now here, so say you win, like that. So now what we have to do is after saying you win, not for the 2 seconds, we have to make it 0.5 second, and now we want to go to the so we want to go to the control and take this when wait 0.3 seconds. So now then we will stop all. So after that take another time, take the when I receive this win scene, then what we will do is, so now what we have to do, when I receive win scene, go to control, drag the forever, then now go to the looks and drag switch costume 3. Now here this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. And now go to the control and take wait seconds, duplicate and duplicate. Now make it 0.1 and 0.1, 0.1. So now drag it here, here and here, drag it here and drag it over here and drag it over here. So now what we have to do is try this. So you will see it will work. So what's your name? Cyan Kumar. So hello, we'll say Cyan Kumar. Now it will say the question. A. You are genius. Then it will say space is completely silent. You are incredibly genius. So now it will say you win. So you can see it is moving like that. So this was the part 3 of this Satch tutorial. In the next part we will learn more. And now this was the quiz game. So I will tell you how to save this. Go to here, file and save as. So I will save this as quiz game. Quiz. So it will automatically save. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please click on the like button, subscribe it and share it to your belongings.